How's everybody doing? This is Neff and Natalia with Nocturnal Labs, bringing you another video. This time, my daughter's gonna be doing all the building. Remember, if you're not subscribed, hit that like and subscribe and the notification bell, so every time we load a video, boom, you could get notified. Alrighty, here we go.
So today we're gonna be building this 3-tier welding cart, and this is gonna be part 1, because in part 2 we're gonna be setting up my Tig Welder.
Alright, let's get to building.
Now, because I can't find scissors and I don't know where the knife is, I'm just gonna use.
I got you covered. There you go.
I got a knife now. All right.
Covered. Just please don't drop it. That's my little baby.
Do I need to cut here too?
We'll just cut the bone. This is like this.
Oh, is that how it opens?
I'm pretty sure.
I thought it was something like this. Ah. Okay. We're laying it down then.
It's open.
Instructions. Do we really need them? Instructions. Thank God it has pictures.
Let's see the packaging. How does it come? Oh,
This was just sitting right up here.
Okay, looks nice.
It's not gonna. There we go.
Perfect. Well, nicely packaged.
Some little bolts and
Some hardware.
see, so you're welcome. If you can't get the tape off, just tear it through the middle and I'll slide off both ends. It's perfectly fine. Wow, this lighting's horrible. Ugh. Alright. He doesn't want to listen to me. So we're gonna move this so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Let's see, like right there. Well, anyways, these are all the pieces on the floor. This is everything that I brought. Ah. Now let's set this up in a way that you can actually see what I'm doing. Over here? I guess not. Go back over here. Alright, that's good enough. I'll just stand. So now you gotta read the instructions if that's a thing you do. Honestly, I didn't want to read instructions, but looks like I have to. Alright. So we need one of these big wheels, one of the big ones. Take that out of the packaging. And then you need axle 16. Do they even have... They don't even have numbers on it. I don't know what I'm... Oh, that's A, B, okay. Okay, I'm assuming this is bottom. Oh my word. Okay, so you get the bottom piece. I'm assuming this is the bottom one because this picture's not very good. What I did, I stuck the little rod that came in, I stuck that in there, and the little hole that it has back here for it. And now we are going to attach a, not this, I think it's this. Then you're gonna get the little bag, whatever, the little bag that came with the little nuts and stuff. Where's the pin? Okay, whatever. We're going over there. Let's pull it up. Probably for over there, so never mind, I lied. Fisher washer, or no, this is flat washer for 14. It doesn't even say. This one says, I put that in there, which is what it said right here. And it says get a flat washer. That's this right here. And then it says something, you can have a little clip, and I don't know what clip is called. Is this a clip?
Like a cutter.
Oh!
Yeah, you made a mess. There they are. Yep. That's the cotter pins. Man, I just made a mess.
We were having so much trouble with the bolt, we didn't even notice the camera stopped. Okay. So then, this is really good. Okay. So this has to be like this way. Has to connect these two things.
So her cart's done. Now tomorrow she's gonna get that Tig Welder ready, and we'll be able to put everything on here. So thanks for watching. Dalia? Can't see you. Oh. So thanks for watching, and make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe. We'll catch you later. Peace.